Today, I'm gonna talk about OpenShot Video Editor as our alternative video editing software to the mainstream one, which is Adobe Premiere Pro. OpenShot Video Editor is an award-winning open-source video editing software. It is available in Linux, Mac, and Windows. It is a free, multi-platform, and open-source video editing software. You can use it to create and edit videos using many popular multimedia formats. OpenShot was created by Jonathan Thomas back in 2008 when he couldn't find the perfect video editor for his new Ubuntu setup. Now, its latest version is version 2.5.1. OpenShot has a very easy user interface that includes the project files panel on the left, the video preview on the right, and the project timeline at the bottom. Open stands for open source, and shot stands for a single cinematic take. Add them together and you'll get OpenShot. OpenShot offers animation and keyframes features that allows users to fade, slide, bounce, and animate anything in their video project. OpenShot headquarters is located in Rockwell, United States. Now, let's talk about the common features of OpenShot and Adobe Premiere Pro. But first, a short description of Adobe Premiere Pro. This software is integrated with Adobe products that let its users transfer their works from one software to another, so they can edit and use their finished videos whenever needed. This simply means that they can work smoothly and create an appealing and creative product. Adobe Premiere Pro is headquartered in San Jose, United States, and the company was founded in the year 1982. Here are the common features of OpenShot and Adobe Premiere Pro. Both supports multiple formats like video, audio, and image formats. Upload video file or audio file. Digital video effects. Multiple video types. 2D animation support and 3D animated titles and effects. Advanced timeline including drag and drop, scrolling, panning, zooming, and snapping. For the differences of OpenShot with Adobe Premiere Pro. In terms of payment methods, OpenShot is free, while Adobe Premiere Pro is monthly or yearly payment. For the platform, OpenShot is available on Linux, Mac, and Windows, while Adobe Premiere Pro is available on Windows and Macintosh desktop platforms. In terms of features, they differ a bit in these. For OpenShot, we have user interface, animations, cross-platform, uploading video or audio file, title editor, trim and slice, keyframes, audio waveform, slow motion and time effect, and desktop integration. While in Adobe Premiere Pro, we have these features: 3D modeling, video and image management, animation, video capture, and video stabilization. Conclusions and recommendations. OpenShot has an easy-to-use interface that's great for beginners. It doesn't have a huge array of editing features, but it's a solid option for beginners to use for basic editing. OpenShot is a transparent video editor that should survive the test of time, thanks to its open-source nature. It's pretty simple, but will take a bit of getting used to, but when you put the hours in, you can delve into its rather impressive set of advanced features that include 3D animation tools, video effects, and fully inclusive import and export options. And now, for the pros and cons of using OpenShot as your alternative video editing software. So first up are the pros. An open source program that won't hide any features or ask for money for extra stuff. Built by a wide team of developers who have listened to users' feedback over its course of development. It has plenty of simple and advanced options. The transitions and effects panels of this software are really good because I have applied transitions and effects to my videos using these two panels. Cons of using OpenShot. First, it has lacked some composting options like rotoscoping. Some qualms that the timeline doesn't zoom in far enough, 8-second max only. It isn't as fluid as it could be. While OpenShot is a good editor, it has a tendency to lag, and it can even get so bad while lagging that it will freeze and crash. The question is, should I recommend OpenShot as an alternative video editing software? Of course, yes. I recommend this especially for the beginners in video editing. And since it is free and an open source software, there are a lot of things you can do for free in OpenShot than you can do in Adobe Premiere Pro. This software is good for beginners to use or even professionals to edit videos and for its accessibility across different formats. That's all, and thank you for watching the video.